Kami Companion. Built to remove barriers and support access to web-based resources for every learner. Students with specialized learning needs can hear, see, and access resources online, supporting their learning goals along the way. Same class materials as their peers, building language skills independently in a truly inclusive classroom.
Las imágenes de las cocaballos,
aligned with UDL and powered by safer AI, Kami Companion supports a wide range of learning needs, so every student can grow into a curious, capable, independent learner. And when students need a little extra support, Kami Companion steps in, bringing personalized support together with inclusive learning, because learning should never have barriers. Kami Companion, built to support access to web-based resources for every learner.